Hey, what's up YouTube? This is your girl Cookie coming at you doing another video. This time, guys, I kind of wanted to share my face routine with you guys because I suffer from like really bad acne, and I don't know if you guys could tell on the screen, but you see my blemishes and stuff, they're still there. And then this pimple, which used to be super duper 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 huge, has definitely decreased. And I wanted to take the filter off so that you guys could take a look at my skin so you can see everything that I'm talking about. Never mind my eyelashes, my eyelid. Guys, I had a sty probably about a week ago, and it was atrocious. Like, my eye was huge. So I've been really MIA for the longest because I've been trying to keep up with my life and I'm dating again. I'm going to be trying to do a little vlog with that so that you guys can kind of peer in on that. And also I'm going to share with you guys some of my workout journey. I've been working out. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've been working out and I've lost a total of probably about 14 pounds roughly. I wish you guys could see a full body, but anyways, I'm working on myself, kind of like getting myself together. So I've been kind of busy, and so haven't been able to holler at you guys, but I missed y'all, so I just decided to do a good old video. Well, this right here, if you guys are wondering, is this dirt? No, guys, this is not dirt. This is coffee grinds. Take a second, marinate. Yes, I said it, coffee grinds. So I kind of conjured up some stuff in the kitchen because I was told that coffee would help get rid of, pretty much like coffee grinds and a couple of other ingredients that I'm going to mention as soon as I let you know what all is in this mask that I'm about to apply to my face. But someone that came and told me that coffee grind can get rid of blemishes, stretch marks, and pimples. So I decided to try it, right? Because I'm curious to know, and if it's just that simple, I can leave all the other things that I've been trying to apply to my face that's screwing me up alone, and I can just focus on this. I only have been doing this for about a week or so, maybe a little over a week, and I already see a difference in my face. And also, people have been commenting on my skin and everything, and my skin's not even that clear actually. But I obviously know where my skin has come from, and they're like, oh my god, like, what are you doing? So this is what I'm doing, guys. I decided to go to the store. Your nearby Kroger, Marshalls are closed, aren't they? Walmart, any of them, get regular coffee grinds. They have to be grounded up. They can't be coffee bean. They have to be grounded up. So I don't know, is grounded a word? Got to be grounded it up. But anyways, got to be fine so that this will work. This mask will work. Then with the coffee grind, I also added, let's see, 100% natural coconut oil, and I kind of eyeballed all the ingredients, so I don't really have them down to a T, but what I can do is put them in my description box, and you guys can know all the ingredients that I put in my coffee, and comment down below and let me know how it works for you. Coconut oil. I am a big person, or you can also get this kind of coconut oil too. It's pretty good. It has almond in it. I didn't use this kind. Like I said, I used the 100% all natural coconut oil. I just didn't want to make any mistakes. I did add honey. I used like 100% honey, the kind with no extra whatever added into it. It's probably about $5 at Walmart. I typically get that kind anyways, but I kind of ran out, so I can't even show you guys what I'm talking about. But honey, I use baking soda, and any kind of baking soda would do, because baking soda is baking soda. Okay, I use baking soda, and like I said, I eyeballed all the ingredients. Baking soda, and then I added a little water. I also, they didn't say to add this, but I did because I know it works really good with acne. I added a little bit of tea tree oil, and it has to be 100% natural tea tree oil. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's acting up. It doesn't want to focus today, but tea tree oil is very strong, so I would advise if you do apply this into your mask, kind of do just a little bit to take you far with tea tree oil. See, honey, coconut, baking soda, and trying to make sure I'm telling you guys all the ingredients. And then I just pretty much mixed it all up until it looks, oh, and don't forget your water. And I use filtered water. But once you're done, it's gonna look like this. In the capacity, it'd be like that. Consistency would be like that. And so now it's time to what? Apply it to your face. Okay, guys? Don't forget baking soda, coconut oil, honey, tea tree oil, a little bit of water. And if you want to use a lot of honey, go for it. Honey is like really good for your skin. I was very heavy-handed on the honey. All that good stuff. Before applying this to your face, you need to wash your hands, because it's very important to wash your hands before touching all on your face, because your face is very sensitive, and all the bacteria that's held underneath your nails and all that good stuff be all on your skin if you don't wash your face. I mean, if you don't wash your hands. So, I wash my hands. Okay. And that's that. I'm going to dry my hands off with a nice little towel. Alright, so now it's time to apply it to my face. And you can apply it with your fingers, and it goes right on, guys. Like, it's a little messy, so try to wear a shirt that you don't really too much care for. And it kind of feels like a scrub, guys. It feels like a scrub, nice little scrub for your face. Try your best to stay away from your eyes. The last thing you want is this to be in your eyes. And you can do this scrub at night. You can, I wouldn't suggest overnight because it's kind of messy. And you probably don't want this all up in your bag. Don't forget your forehead and your T-zone, because I don't know about you guys, but I tend to break out a lot on my T-zone. And if you guys are wondering what the heck is a T-zone, that's this right here. Yeah. And so, rub that in really good. And like I said, guys, try to keep it from your eyes. You don't want to get this stuff in your eyes. You do not want to get this stuff in your eyes. I repeat, you don't want to get this stuff in your eyes. Look at the hairline. Okay. And then once you guys applied it good on your face, okay, you see how my face looks, guys? Okay, guys, it's been 15 minutes, so it is time now. The mask looks like this. And it's time to rinse this off. This water is cold, yeah. I gotta wait for it to warm up. I'll be back, guys, after I get done rinsing. Okay, guys, I'm back. I've rinsed this all off my face. I normally pat dry. I don't really never use rags anymore. I used to, And then somebody had told me that rags hold bacteria, so I've been trying to stay away from that. So I'll just use a towel to pat my face dry. But if you guys can see the clearness of my face, and oh my gosh, like guys, my face feels so smooth. So smooth. And I just have that one little pimple. Well, let me see, 1, 2, this over here. That used to be really bad, but like I said, I've been doing this for about a week, and it has cleared my face. Like, oh my God. I'm loving the results so far. So far, the results are pretty good, and I'm gonna keep doing this to see like how much more clear my face will get with using this strategy, using this face mask. And I'll keep you guys updated. But oh my God, I love the way my face feels and the way my face looks. Oh my God, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has a bit of a shine to it. Like I just got, and then my skin looks lighter. So I wonder if maybe this is more like for us to exfoliate the skin, which I think it is, to do more of the exfoliating of the skin. But I'm pleased by the results. So far so good. And I'm going to keep on continuing to use this method to see how much more clear my face can get. So now that my face is washed and it's, you know, rinsed off and everything and dried, I'm now going to apply what I always typically apply once I get finished cleaning my face with anything. It is the Pods Dry Skin Cream Facial Moisturizer. Always moisturize your skin. I've always been told, and whatever you do to your skin, make sure you do to your neck. Which I typically would even add the coffee thing to my neck as well, but I just didn't because I'm doing this video. But oh my God, my face feels so smooth, guys. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. My face. Like I said, guys, I will put all. Did my neck too. I will put all the ingredients down in the description box below. Also, do me a favor and comment down below and let me know if you tried it and how it made your face feel, or what results you got after a period of time of using this method. Let me know if it worked for you like it did for me. And do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and share it to your friend and your other friend and your friend's friend and your friend's mama's friend and your cousins down the way and your cousins' cousins and your sisters and brothers and all that good stuff. And until then, guys, thank you so much for tuning back into your girl Cookie, and I love you guys, and